So now I'm going to show you how to sew these woven pieces, the square and the triangle. I'm going to show how to sew these two edges. So first I grab a thick crochet and I make a slip knot using the thicker yarn, in this case the ochre. I make a slip knot and then I start by passing the knot through the first stitch in the corner and then making a row of slip stitch. There you have the row. I continue and I make an extra chain on each corner. As you can see, the distance between the stitches in the base of the triangle is larger, but don't worry, just make longer crochet stitches. I continue crocheting all the way until I go to the first stitch again and I complete the edge. So I'll continue doing the same with the same color with the squares. Remember, making one extra chain on each corner. These are both finished. So now I grab a thin cotton fiber, same color if you can, and I start joining both edges with it. I use safety pins on each corner first, and then I just thread the yarn needle and start joining the external loops of each edge. I make a knot to start. I pass through a few stitches on each side. And then when I have more or less 5, I just pull the yarn, and that is how the seam looks. Now it's almost finished. I continue sewing them, and this is how they look finished, with a thick edge, a braid edge. So I just continue doing the same with all my woven pieces, making first the crochet edge on each, and then I sew them as I just showed you. And next week I'm going to show you how they all look as sewn together. See you next week!